Hi students, so today we are going to begin with the new session, a new activity for you. In this session we are going to learn different words and their pronunciation. How do you pronounce these words in our daily life? These are the common words which we use in our daily life, but sometimes some words are pronounced differently. Let's learn them. In today's lesson, you will not be only listening, but you will also have to participate in the video. You will have to look at the word and pronounce the exact word which I pronounce behind me. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's begin. So the first word we are going to learn is Wednesday. We call it as Wednesday, but the actual pronunciation is Wednesday. Wednesday. On Wednesday, there's going to be a sale in a supermarket. Wednesday. The next word here is almond, badam, but we pronounce it as almond and the actual pronunciation is almond. Alphabet L is silent. I love almonds. The next word is espresso. Because the alphabet X is given, we pronounce it as espresso, but the actual pronunciation is espresso. Starbucks is famous for its espresso coffee. Espresso. Sometimes looking at this word, because it begins with CH, we pronounce it as chaos. But the actual pronunciation is chaos. There's a lot of chaos in class when teacher is not present in the period. The most commonly used word in the class, mischievous. Mischievous child. But the actual pronunciation is mischievous. That child is very mischievous. Next word is very common. Often. The letter T is silent. So you pronounce it as often. Boutique. The given word here is used to refer the shop which is specially designed with the clothes or accessories or jewelries. So the pronunciation of this word is boutique. The next word is most famous for all the students. It is pizza. You never forget this word, right? But the actual pronunciation is pizza. Pizza. Most of the time students mistake because B-O-W is bow. But the actual pronunciation of this word is bowl. Bowl. For example, I have a silver bowl. Now when you read this word, you read it as asthma because of the words used TH. But the actual pronunciation is asthma. Asthma. The person has a disease and it's asthma. We commonly pronounce this word as dengue because of the alphabet U used in the word. But the actual pronunciation is dengue. Dengue. Dengue is a disease spread by mosquito. Students, how do we pronounce this word? Woman, because of the word O in it. But the actual pronunciation is women. Women. The next word here is breakfast. Did you have your breakfast? But the actual pronunciation is breakfast. Breakfast. The next word here is data. We pronounce it as data because there is an A mentioned after the letter D. But the actual pronunciation is data. Data. There's a lot of database saved in my computer or laptop. Now student, this word here is mentioned to show the different smileys or animated smileys in WhatsApp or any other apps. The word is M-E-M-E, meme, not meme. Okay, it is called as meme. This word is pronounced as iron. Iron. Banquet. Banquet. The banquet hall was booked for their marriage. Coupon. How do you pronounce it as coupon? But it is actually pronounced as coupon. Coupon. Most commonly pronounce this word as video. Video. But it is actually pronounced as video. Video? No. Video. The next word is poem. How do you pronounce it as poem? No. It is pronounced as poem. Not poem. It is poem. The next word is pronunciation. Because it is written as N-U-N, you pronounce it as pronunciation. But the actual pronunciation is pronunciation. Pronunciation. Today we are learning pronunciation of different words. Most of the time we pronounce this word as determine, but the actual pronunciation is determine. It is very important that you determine what is important in your life and take those opportunities. When you pay money in a shop to purchase something, the shopkeeper gives you receipt. It is called as receipt and not the receipt. The word P is silent, so it is called as receipt. The last word which we are going to learn today is sweet. We pronounce this word as sweet and not suit. It is pronounced as sweet. Sweet as candy, right? Like that, sweet. It is often used for referring to the hotel rooms. Luxury suite, deluxe suite, like that. Now let's revise all the words together. The first word is pronounced as Wednesday, almond, espresso, kiosk, mischievous, often, boutique, pizza, bowl, asthma, dengue, women, breakfast, data, meme, iron, banquet, coupon, video, poem, pronunciation, determine, receipt, sweet. I hope you all have enjoyed the activity today and learned something new. Thank you.